Some Instagram theme pages are raking in over $100,000 per year. Surprised? Well, don't be. You can do it too. Imagine turning your passion into profit. That's exactly what's happening on Instagram right now. Some savvy individuals have found a way to transform their hobbies into a hefty payday, all thanks to Instagram theme pages. Whether it's fitness, fashion, travel, or food, people are cashing in on their interests. They're creating theme pages around these topics, attracting like-minded followers, and then bam, they're making a mint. Now, we're not talking pocket change here. These folks are pulling in the big bucks, upwards of $100,000 a year. No specific names, but trust me, they're out there. Yes, you heard it right. Instagram theme pages can be your goldmine. Now let's dive into how you can make it happen. First things first, what exactly is an Instagram theme page? Well, an Instagram theme page is a specialized account that focuses on a specific topic or niche. It's like a curated gallery, showcasing content that revolves around a particular theme, hence the name. It can be anything from fashion, travel, fitness, food, you name it. These theme pages are created with the intention of attracting a certain audience, those who share the same interests. They are like magnets, drawing in individuals who are passionate about the same things. And with that, they create a community, a place for like-minded people to engage and share their thoughts. Let's delve a little deeper and talk about the different types of theme pages. You see, Instagram theme pages can be broadly classified into two categories. Firstly, we have the general theme pages. These are pages that cover wide-ranging topics like photography, travel, or cooking. They are designed to cater to a broad audience and are typically filled with a mix of original and curated content. Secondly, we have niche theme pages. These are the specialized ones, focusing on a very specific area within a broader theme. Think vegan cooking within the food theme, or street photography within the photography theme. These pages cater to a smaller but highly targeted audience. Now you might be wondering, what's the purpose of these pages? Well, apart from creating a space for people with common interests, they also serve as a platform for businesses and influencers to reach their target audience. With a well-curated theme page, you can attract followers who are genuinely interested in what you have to offer, making it a powerful tool for marketing and promotion. And that's not all. These theme pages can also be monetized, turning your passion into profit. But we'll talk more about that later. Now that we've got that cleared up, we're ready to move on to the steps to start making money. The first step is choosing your theme. This is crucial because your theme will dictate your target audience. Now let's dive a bit deeper. Imagine your theme as the cornerstone of your Instagram enterprise. It's the compass that guides your content, the magnet that attracts your followers, and the heartbeat of your Instagram page. But how do you pick the perfect theme? Well, it's a blend of passion and pragmatism. You need to find a topic that fuels your creativity, something that you can post about day in and day out without losing enthusiasm. But passion alone won't pay the bills. Your theme also needs a large, active audience. It needs to resonate with people, spark conversations, and inspire engagement. Think of it like opening a restaurant. You wouldn't serve sushi in a town that loves barbecue, right? Same principle applies here. Choose wisely, folks. Your theme is the foundation of your Instagram money-making journey. Once you've chosen your theme, it's time to start building your audience. Now, this step is crucial, folks, because your audience is your bread and butter. They're the ones who will ultimately determine your success on Instagram. Let's dive right into it. First off, consistency is key. Imagine your Instagram page as your own personal television channel. Your followers are your viewers, eagerly waiting for the next episode to air. So, keep them hooked. Post regularly, ideally once or twice every day. This not only keeps your followers engaged, but also increases your visibility on Instagram's algorithm. Next up, hashtags. Think of these as the GPS for your content. They guide people straight to your page. Use relevant and popular hashtags to gain more visibility. But remember, don't overdo it. A handful of well-chosen hashtags can work wonders. Now let's talk about engagement. This isn't a one-way street, folks. It's not just about broadcasting your content out into the world. It's about creating a community. Respond to comments, ask questions, and show appreciation for your followers. Engaging with your audience fosters a sense of community and loyalty, making them more likely to stick around and bring others into the fold. Don't be afraid to collaborate either. Partnering with other Instagrammers can be a win-win situation. You get access to their audience, and they get access to yours. It's about building relationships and growing together. And last but not least, always strive to provide value. Whether it's entertainment, information, or inspiration, make sure your content offers something of worth to your followers. People are more likely to follow and engage with a page that enriches their lives in some way. Remember, the larger and more engaged your audience is, the more attractive you are to advertisers. So take your time, be patient, and most importantly, have fun with it. Because when you love what you do, your audience can feel it, and they'll love it too. So, you've got your theme, and you've built your audience. Now it's time for the fun part, making money. Here's the thing, folks, when you've got a captive audience that's interested in what you're posting, businesses are going to want a piece of that action. And that's where monetizing your Instagram theme page comes into play. One of the most common ways to monetize is through sponsored posts. Companies will pay you to post about their products or services on your page. Now, this needs to be done with a bit of finesse. You don't want to turn your page into a billboard and alienate your audience. Make sure the product or service you're promoting aligns with your theme and is something your audience will appreciate. Next up, we've got affiliate marketing. This is when you promote a product and get a commission for every sale made through your referral. It's a great way to make money if you can find products that resonate with your audience. Just remember, transparency is key. Let your followers know that you're getting a piece of the pie. And finally, you can sell your own products or services. If you've built a brand around your theme, why not leverage that to sell merchandise or offer services? Maybe you run a travel theme page and you've got a knack for finding hidden gems. You could offer personalized travel planning services. Or if you've got a fitness theme page, how about selling workout plans or fitness gear? Remember, the key to successful monetization is relevancy. Your audience followed you because they're interested in your theme. If you can find a way to make money while staying true to that theme, you're golden. From sponsored posts to affiliate marketing to selling your own products or services. There are many ways to monetize your Instagram theme page. Choose the one that best fits your theme and audience. So there you have it, folks. The steps to making money with Instagram theme pages. We've journeyed through the gold mine that is Instagram, understanding the concept of a theme page and its potential. We've delved into choosing your unique theme, a decision that should reflect your passion and interest, because authenticity always shines through. We've explored how to build an audience, focusing on engagement, consistency, and quality content. Remember, it's about creating a community, not just followers. And finally, we've touched on monetizing your page, from sponsored posts and affiliate marketing to selling your own products or services. The possibilities are as limitless as your creativity. But remember, the key is to provide value, to solve a problem for your audience. That's the secret sauce to turning followers into customers. However, let's not sugarcoat it. This journey will have its challenges. You may not see immediate results. You may face algorithm changes, competition, or even content creation blocks. But that's all part of the journey. It's important to stay persistent, flexible, and creative. Remember, every successful Instagrammer started with 0 followers. What made them different was their determination to keep going, to keep learning, and to keep evolving. And one more thing, enjoy the process. There's a certain joy in building something from scratch, in seeing your community grow, in engaging with people who share your interests. In the end, it's not just about the money. It's about creating something you're proud of. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Money Masters, and turn on notifications so you never miss our money-making tips. Until next time, keep hustling.